Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Chemistry King. And I am Dr. S.K. Sinha, discussing benzynes. Benzynes are also called arynes. When two ortho groups are removed, then you will get benzyne. This triple bond is not like acetylene, but it is strained triple bond. And also, you should underline that these two carbon atoms are not sp hybridized, rather they are sp2 hybridized. Of course, it is ring, and if these two carbon atoms be sp hybridized, then the bond should be here. This bond will be straight, not angular. So, never we can assume these two carbon atoms to be sp hybridized. Okay. In fact, these two carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized, not sp hybridized. Okay. Sometimes benzyne is supposed to be biradical, and it has been seen sometimes that benzyne is biradical. Okay, now let us see ahead. First of all, we will see structure of benzynes. We have learned two things here. Benzyne contains a strained triple bond, first, and second, sometimes benzyne exhibits biradical character. Okay. We have to see structure of benzynes. Benzyne is found in two states, singlet state and triplet state. Why it is called singlet? Why triplet benzyne is called triplet? Singlet and triplet is actually depend upon spin multiplicity. Spin multiplicity. Okay. Here we are looking, it is acetylene, and this is sigma bond, this is pi bond, and this is also pi bond. Here we are showing that these two orbitals are p orbitals, and perpendicular to this. Moreover, we can say that these two atomic orbitals, these two p orbitals are parallel, and so they can overlap to a large extent. So, bonding is sufficient enough. Overlapping is sufficient enough in case of acetylene, where triple bond is present. But in case of benzyne, what is happening? Two ortho groups have been removed, and these two are sp2 hybrid orbitals. And as they are two sp2 hybrid orbitals, they will never be parallel. They will never be parallel. So, overlapping is very poor, and that's why we say that in benzyne it is strained triple bond. Okay. And this is singlet where we say that it is strain triple bond. In singlet benzene, it is strain triple bond, and singlet benzene is also called in ground state. And this singlet benzene remains in two resonating structure. First is this, when this pi bond will shift in this fashion, pi bond will be here. This pi bond will shift in this fashion, pi bond will be here. This pi bond will shift in this fashion, pi bond will be here. And here double bond remains. Okay. These two are the resonating structures of singlet benzene. Now let us see triplet benzene. Triplet benzene. Triplet benzene is also called excited benzene. And this triplet benzene will explain biradical character. Biradical character. Okay? Biradical character. Okay? Now, let us see how biradical character is exhibited by triplet benzene, excited benzene. Suppose this pi bond is broken. In singlet benzene, we discussed that this triple bond is strained triple bond. So, to release its strain, this pi bond is broken, and now these two sp2 hybrid orbitals are free and both contain unpaired electron. Both contains unpaired electron. This structure will explain biradical character. Now, let us see why this triplet, friends, it is triplet carbene, sorry, not carbene, but it is triplet benzene. Why it is called triplet? There are two unpaired electrons, and therefore spin multiplicity will be n plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore it is called triplet. As far as singlet benzene is concerned, in singlet benzene there are no unpaired electrons. All electrons are paired. Therefore, spin multiplicity will be n plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. So, that benzene is called singlet benzene. Okay. Here you are looking that this pi bond is broken and these two hybrid sp2 hybrid orbitals are now free and both have unpaired electrons. Again you think this pi bond is also broken, releasing of two p orbitals, and both the p orbitals contain unpaired electron, and that unpaired electron overlaps with this sp2. Or you can say that by bonding under influence of high energy, that unpaired electron of p orbital is transferred to the sp2. So, you will get it singlet carbene. This carbon also will be singlet carbene, and singlet carbene is excited. Friend, underline this. Singlet benzene is in ground state. Singlet benzene is ground state and triplet benzene is in excited state. and in carbene this thing becomes reverse, opposite. Okay, here you are looking that there are two singlet carbene, and singlet carbene is excited. Singlet benzene is ground state, but singlet carbene is excited state. These two there are two carbenes here, singlet carbene. So it is excited, and that's why singlet carbene is excited, and two singlet carbene atoms are present in this benzene. Therefore, triplet benzenes are excited. In this manner, we saw singlet benzene and triplet benzene. Now we will see generation. These two atoms, this bond will shift in this fashion, this will shift in this fashion, leading to benzene, and this bond will come here, this bond will come here. In this fashion, you will get benzene. Okay, and it will come here, it will come here, it will come here, benzene. Magnesium will come here. It is like Grignard reagent, and you get benzene. Now reactions. If you treat this chlorobenzene with sodamide, you will get benzene. If it is liquid ammonia, you will get ammonia can attack here or here. Therefore, you will get two products, because this carbon is isotopic and this carbon is not isotopic. Therefore, you will get two products. And if chlorobenzene is treated with potassium hydroxide, you will get first benzene, and if it is treated with water, you will get phenol. This is when it is treated with sodamide, you will get triple bond will be formed here only. Here there is no possibility. It is benzene, liquid ammonia. Ammonia will attack. Solvent is liquid ammonia. This ammonia can attack here or here. You will get two products. If it is treated with sodamide, triple bond can form here or here. Therefore, both have equal possibility, and possibilities are 50-50. प्यार का वादा 50-50, क्या है इरादा 50-50, and two products are possible. Here only one possibility to have triple bond is here, and it will give two products. It is triphenyl methane. If hydrogen is abstracted, a negative charge will be here, and two product is possible. And here this is benzene. If you take different solvent or different reagent, different product is formed. Okay, here methyl lithium is here, methyl will come here, and lithium will come here. If it is treated with carbon dioxide, it is organometallic compound, carboxyl group comes here. Okay, it is parachloroanisole. It will give two products. Metachloroanisole will give three products. This is one, both are same. So there are only three products. It is deuterium, triple bond. This hydrogen is not removed. This bond is broken easily. Heavier isotopic hydrogen. Triple bond is here, you will get this. If solvent is not there, these two benzene molecules will dimerize to give this. Okay, it is Diels-Alder reaction. It traps benzene. Furan traps benzene, and anthracene will also trap benzene. It is also Diels-Alder reaction. Thank you. We will see again.